Hi guys, Fana here. I'm back now and I'm here to review Fable and Mane Holy Roots Hair Oil. Fable and Mane Holy Roots Hair Oil has herbal ingredients like ashwagandha, dashmule and castor oil. This oil is the best if you want a quick and effective hair care routine. All you need is just few drops, 5 to 10 ml in total, and I tend to warm it up a little in my palms first. I massage my scalp in circular motion always and apply the excess oil to the length of my hair. It is very non-sticky and very easy to use. The price is a bit on the expensive side, but it is so worth it. I use this oil 1 to 2 times a week depending on what my hair needs. After applying the oil, I tend to keep it for an hour at least, but it's good if you could keep it for longer. Wash your hair with a mild shampoo and conditioner and air dry your hair and you will immediately feel the difference. Oh my god, the hair will smell heavenly. All these ingredients help to strengthen our scalp, calms our nerves, nourishes the scalp and promotes hair growth. It smells amazingly nice too. This is basically a pre-wash hair oil, but I love to use it if I find my hair frizzy or if I think it needs a bit of shine. Do give it a try guys and let me know what you think about this oil in our comment section. I'm planning to come back with more amazing tips and tricks to keep our hair healthy. Do like the video if you have enjoyed it and please subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching and I'll be back soon. Love you all. Bye.